How to buy Fortnite accounts safely on your PC or on the device you're playing the game right now. For this, follow the steps I'm showing you in this video. The first is choosing the method. Seller verification is very crucial, and the second thing is you can do it opt for marketplaces with buyer protection, such as these websites mentioned on the page, respectively safeguarding your purchase against fraud. Consider platform offering secure payment options such as UX, Eldorado, and another, ensuring the account security and avoiding scams. Avoid PayPal friends and family for the payment. That method lack buyer protection, increasing scam risk. Instead, request PayPal invoices for Fortnite account purchases. Insist on full email access to prevent unauthorized account lockouts to ensure full control over the account. Be wary of to go to be true offers. Rare skins called Gold Trooper are often used to lure buyers into the scam. Use escrow services for high-value transaction services like those offered on Epic NPC reduce fraud risk by holding funds until both parties are satisfied. Request detailed invoices and transaction records for added security. Ensure all payments are documented. Now this is pre-purchase. After purchasing it, challenge or change all account details immediately and enable the two-factor authentication on your account. Do not change the account's region or contact Epic support. So this is all about how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching it. And please subscribe to our channel for watching such updates and reviews like this.